wants to go too.
Huh? Is she ready?
I specifically said after Jesse, I'm going.
He's gonna go fast now.
Oh shit.
Who's in there? Oh yeah, duh.
Oh, there she goes. I would stop. Oh man.
He's probably just gonna bring her back.
Damn. Look out. Look out.
Look out, look out.
Whoa, whoa, whoa. Damn. That's fucking dangerous. The thing with it is, dude, I ain't even going that fast. When the barrel starts rolling, it don't stop. Yeah. Because I gotta try to stop.
There's something breaking my asshole.
I wanna try.
Oh, fuck. Yeah. Helmet ain't gonna work either, dude.
Now you know how them guys feel in them race car wrecks. In them cars.
When they flip and shit.
Helmet ain't gonna work.
It ain't.
No.
I want to try it, man, but I don't want
Dude,
To
I felt every fucking bashing in my skull. It wasn't so bad at first, it was that last bit.